Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, MicroCloud Hologram, HOLO. This is not a short squeeze. This is just huge amounts of volume. Yes, you are right. 1,134% just today. Over the last few days, if we look at it, this is absolutely gone bonkers, and I'll tell you why. Just bear with me. Excuse me. In the last week, up 831%. 3 months, 2,800, 2,700 in the last 3 months. But today, it's 1,100 and it's still going. Make that 1,134%. This was 47 cents and it went all the way up. Look at this. Now then, this is not a short squeeze. Let me share with you what is going on. A lot of people are trying to get views on false information. I wasn't going to make a video on this, but I'm going to cover this because this is this needs to be covered to correct the nonsense that is going on at the minute. This is absolutely crazy. Let me explain what it is and what it isn't. MicroCloud Hologram engages in development and research of holographic technology through the holographic solutions. And I'll tell you what the news is. Bear with me a second. So we're looking at AI right now. Gone absolutely bonkers. Are you ready? Well, let's have a look at the news. You want to see this? This is why the stock is going up. Why is MicroCloud Hologram going up? Well, it's because of this reason here. It's up. This was this morning. Forget 56%. We're looking at 1,200% now. MicroCloud stock is up on plans to join the Communications Industry Association. This is a group dedicated to progressive communications technology. That news brings with it trading of HOLO stock up. Hang on a minute. Let's go further in. Stock is heading higher on Wednesday after holographic technology research, bear with me a second, research and development company announced plans to join the Communications Industry Association. MicroCloud Hologram says that it is joining the Communications Industry Association to promote the development of the communications industry in the field of information technology innovation. Let me just show you, though, this is very, very important. Let me show you the numbers so you can understand how this makes sense. Tap the like button if you want to share this information out with as many people as possible and subscribe to the channel. But I'm going to show you now some numbers. This stock is going a bit crazy at the moment. Are you making money? Well, many of you are becoming millionaires today, which is very exciting, but don't overpay. Let me show you the actual numbers. The intrinsic value right now, even where it is at the moment, it's showing still 37% undervalue. Even now at this price, it's showing undervalue. So this morning, it would have been hundreds of percent undervalue. Of course, it can't do that. It only shows a maximum of 100, but there you go. That's part of it. Now let's go here. Possible value trap. A trap occurs when the stock appears inexpensive. So it appears to be inexpensive based on fundamental analysis, but fails to reach its intrinsic value over time. But it is now. Okay, let's have a look at the revenue. The revenue, 697 million. It's down 0.6 on the most recent range. Operating income's going down. Net income is going down. Cash flow is going down. Capital expenditure is going down. Operating cash flow is going down. Let's look at the balance sheet. The balance sheet says 235 million in assets, 82 million in liabilities. In the assets, we have 136 million. Plenty of cash in our balance sheet. In our liabilities, we've got no long-term debt. It's a very good balance sheet. Efficiency, 46% margins. Well, that will obviously increase now if this deal comes off. 29% profitability. That will only increase now. 55%. Solvency, it's not going bust. It's a good score. It's not a bright green Apple Amazon score. But 55% from a stock that was 47 cents is pretty good. But the big news is it's not a short squeeze. A short squeeze would be different. That would be something like GameStop, a load of rubbish, everybody buying a load of rubbish and it squeezes. This has happened because people are simply buying it, not because of a squeeze. It's only got 2.63% short interest on it. There's no news. There's no sentiment, no one's covering it, nothing going on. It is just being bought up on the basis of this news and this news alone. So this could be an emerging stock that everybody wants to get excited about. But let me just show you, before you get too excited and start printing your own money and getting your credit card out, I want to ask you to put your head down just a minute and look at one thing you need to look at. So let's crunch the numbers, look at the chart, put our finger on the pulse, look at this. This is important. This is very important. Let me go to it right now. I'm going to share with you on the screen some very important chart information. Let's look at this. Look how the stock trades. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, right? So despite the good balance sheet, despite that it's not a short interest and all the rest of it, the stock does this. It's like a roulette wheel. You win, you lose. You win, you lose. I've never seen a stock like that. That's absolutely flipping bonkers. Let me click on here. Not meeting listing standards. The security is not meeting the listing standards of the NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange. Common reasons include failing to maintain a minimum stock price or meet a minimum financial standards. You can trade as usual, but for now, keep an eye on the status changes. Okay, very, very important. So there you go. What do you think? Are you buying this crazy ride? I certainly would not be buying it now, but it has got some good news. It's not a short squeeze. AI is certainly on fire. Everybody's getting excited about AI right now. And of course, this is something new and everyone is buying it on the basis of this deal. So what do you think? Is this one for you? Leave me your thoughts below. Members, I will reply to all of your comments. And just so you know, it's actually going again. It just sold off a little bit and it's trying to break out again. Smash the like button, subscribe, and leave me your comments below. I will reply to every one of my members and follow up, make videos on it, do whatever. I wasn't going to make a video on this one because I don't like making videos and trying to capitalize on something that looks odd. And if it was a short squeeze, then it would just be a false pump. But it's not a short squeeze. People are buying it, so I wanted to report on it and let you know. Leave me your thoughts in the comments below. Click above my head for all the links. Look for all the links below in the description. And over here, more breaking news and more reviews and everything else. Wow, very exciting stuff. MicroCloud Hologram. Are you in it? Be careful. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.